All right, time to fat test Kali River Rapids at Animal Kingdom in Disney World. This is what it looks like. That's the boat. So the loading area is this constantly moving platform. All right, you walk around with this. You got to be able to step up and down. There you go, typical. It's a little tight, but I was able to get it done. One tip is actually stand up and put it around your legs and then slide into it.
This is cold.
I am soaked.
Okay, Belly, you're gonna get it.
All right, that is a really fun water ride. It's very short, actually, but like I said, just if you can slide into the belt, you're good to go. Just maybe put it around your legs. It's a little tight, but yes, it does pass the fat test.